Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Five of Wands. Gemini. What are the messages for you? This is for Gemini. Okay. Page of Swords. This is for Gemini. Okay. King of Wands. Magician. Queen of Swords and Five of Swords. Two of Swords. You are at some crossroads, Gemini. You don't know which decision you have to make. Maybe you are in a lot of confusion state. Yeah. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Five of Wands, Page of Swords and Queen of Wands. There is a lot of drama was going between you and your person. In past, Five of Wands. Maybe they backstabbed you, cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely there is something. They hurt you in past. Right now your person is watching you, stalking on your social media, Page of Swords. They want to send some message, communication, but they keep tabs on you. They want to test the waters before coming towards you. And King of Wands, it's you. You stand by your power and you are very grounded. Then present. Magician, Queen of Swords and Five of Swords. You are manifesting everything in your life. You are in manifesting energy right now, Gemini. You are working on yourself, investing energy on yourself. So you want commitment. You want marriage. You want the best. If anybody doesn't serve you what you want, you cut them off no matter what, because you deserve best. This is the energy, Queen of Swords energy. So you are in this energy and you are manifesting a lot of swords and Five of Swords. Definitely they hurt you in past. There is backstabbing. There is, for some it could be third party situation also. Yeah. So you decided to cut off person from you, from your life. And then future, Two of Cups, Seven of Swords and Knight of Swords. Someone new is coming. I think it is your new person, because Two of Cups, maybe this person is really loving you so much. For some you already know about this person. For some you don't know. For some it could be only one person, but I am seeing two person because past person is rushing towards you to talk with you. Yeah, they know they did hurt you. And Seven of Swords energy, very sneaky energy. Now they're realizing you both. Now they coming back. They are in so much rush towards you and to communicate with you. Yeah. They now realizing what they did to you, Gemini. I think this is could be your past person or new person. For I am getting lot of you, this is a new person. There is someone new is coming in your life. Soulmate this could be. For some your person, maybe very few, I am not seeing any, because Five of Wands, Five of Swords, Seven of Swords. Lot of sneaky energies here. So let's see your person current feelings and then your future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Ace of Cups. Maybe now your person realizing your worth and recognizing feelings for you. So your person current feelings, Gemini. The Fool. Ten of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Under the deck, Seven of Swords. Again, this person is your sneaky. They're hiding something from you. Maybe miscommunication, false communication. They're hiding something from you, Gemini, for sure. And the Fool. They want new beginnings with you, and they want Ten of Pentacles. For some, your person is already married, what I'm getting here, because 2 times Seven of Swords energy. So that's why you cut off your person For some, it could be third party situation, strong third party energy. Knight of Pentacles, maybe your person is already abundant, financially stable. So, Seven of Swords, something is not correct here. But they are coming back for new beginnings. But this is a new person, I already told you. So, let's see your person here, future actions towards you. Five of Pentacles, separation. Two of Swords, Queen of Pentacles. Yeah, separation, cold shouldering. Maybe in past they were not treating you well. Now they are suffering in silence. Two of Swords. Your person still at some crossroads. Maybe they are in third party situation. They don't know how to make move towards you. And Queen of Pentacles. Your person is very abundant, what I am getting here. For some, you are concentrating on your career, working on yourself, and you are working towards your growth, Gemini. So I am not seeing any action cards here right now. They still wanting, but some communication, because Knight of Swords energy, some communication is coming towards you, but I think you both have some trust issues, especially you, because Seven of Swords, Five of Swords energy is here. So if you already know about your person that your person is putting you in third party situation, be careful, don't give another chance. Okay, be Four of Wands. Yeah, they want this happiness with you, but it's too late, what I'm getting here. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Page of Wands, communication. Page of Pentacles. Yeah, communication. Definitely they're rushing towards you to talk with you. And King of Cups. Now they want to offer their love to you. Maybe in past there is no commitment, there is no equal give and take between both of you. But now your person really want to offer commitment. And their love. King of Pentacles. But you are concentrating on your career and you're achieving financial stability. Ten of Wands. Yeah, there is obsession, domination, waiting in this connection. Lot of waiting, lot of resistance. One person is very dominative in this connection. I think you both are obsessed with each other, what I'm getting here, because the Devil card is the mutual card. I think you both are obsessed with each other, and you also feeling overburdened these times, Gemini. Maybe work pressure, or maybe you're traveling from one place to another place. There is a lot of traveling also, because you are concentrating on your career. You both are obsessed with each other, and communication is coming. They are rushing to talk with you, but I am not seeing any strong action. Just communication I am seeing here from your person side, to be honest. So let's see your overall energy, Gemini. Chariot, World, Queen of Wands, see Nine of Wands. You are guarded up. For some, even though you are obsessed with your person, you are not showing them. You stand by your power. And the world, this could be long distance. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Some cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. That causes so much resistance and insecurity in the connection. And the Chariot, you started moving in different way in your life, like starting new business, new career, concentrating on yourself and concentrating on your growth. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Gemini. The Sun, now they're realizing you are their happiness. Emperor, maybe your person have some ego problems. Hanged Man, they're thinking about you a lot. And Hierophant, they know they didn't offer commitment in past. Now they really want to, but they are still feeling stuck. That's why they are not taking any strong action towards you. That's why there is communication. Empress and the Sun. For some, children's also involved in this connection. Definitely they are thinking you in a very positive way. You are their happiness. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. I think the new person is coming towards you, Gemini. Two of Cups is here. This person is very loyal to you. but the past person is very sneaky according to these cards. But depending upon your situation, you have to make decision. But according to these cards, your person is very sneaky, and you both are obsessed with each other, and especially they are also obsessed with you. Prosperity lies ahead. I already told you, you are creating more money. Definitely there is a lot of money is coming in your way. Abundance. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.